Alright, today we're starting 12.1. We're dealing with three-dimensional figures and how to draw them on isometric dot paper. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in the top view right here in one color. Alright. I can't really color in the left side view because you can't see it on the left side, but we can deal with the front view. I'll do that right there in green, and we can see the right side view right here. So right now, if you look at the top view is right here. I better shrink that just a little. Here we go. Here's the top view right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, there's an awesome old 80s game called Cubert that kind of reminds you of this. If you ever play Cubert, it's like he hops from thing to thing. Alright, so I don't know if you guys ever watched, there's a Disney movie, but Wreck-It Ralph, think Cubert, Wreck-It Ralph. Bless you. Alright? Then we have the front view. Now, it's very important, if you kind of, when you guys are looking at this, you guys see these darker lines? Okay? That kind of lets you know that right here there's 4 right here that are all together. And there's these 4 right here that are all together. And then there's 1 up here that's set back. And that's why you have that darker line right there. Set back. Okay? Now, over here on the front view, you'll notice that this right here is up front. There's 2 of them right here that are up front. And then we have these 2 are what? These 2 are set in the back. These 2 are set right here. My board's not working as well as it needs to. And then you have the right side view. So you'll notice the right side view, if I erase all of this, the right side view, you have this L right here. All of these are all together. You can kind of see this part right in here. All together. Alright? And then you see you have this section that is all together. So this section right here, like a snake. Like a snake. It's all together. It's kind of set back. And that's what we're going to do together. We're going to build our own isometric drawing, our three-dimensional drawing on the isometric dot paper. Okay? That's what we're going to do as we go through our first problem. So here we go. We have a top view. Zoom out just a little bit. We have a top view, we have a left view, we have a front view. Now, do you guys see how the front view, there's 4 that's right here all together, and then there's that darker line, and then there's going to be 4 in the back. On the right side, this is what it's going to look like. Okay? Alright, and from the front view, we have a 4x4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by drawing our base. So right now I'm just going to start here. And I'm going to draw our base. That's what I kind of always start with. I look at what the shape's going to be like, and this has to be our base right here. All right. So there's our, and I'm going to draw up from there. Now, if we look at the right side, how tall is it going to be? It's going to be 4 units up. So right here I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go 4 units up. I'm going to create the top of the three-dimensional figure right here. And I'm going to go all the way down to right there. And that's going to be these 2 blocks right here. So I'm going to So now hopefully you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now if you look at the front view is going 2 across. Alright? So I have to go an additional 1 across. And so you can see that we have 2 right here, but see how that has a little shape right in here, this square? That means we have to finish off this square right in here. Now, to make things nice and neat, what we're going to do is we're going to shade in different things, okay? I'm going to shade in the top view in blue. So right here, I'm just going to shade in the top view in blue. All right? And here's just the top view. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then I'm going to shade in the front view in green. We have these right here. That's the front view. Right here. And last but not least, I'm going to do the right view in this nice magenta color. One second. And now it kind of gives you more of a three-dimensional look. You kind of see how it all works together. There's the right view. There's the front view. There's the top view. You can't see the left view. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to label it. Okay. This is your front. I'm going to write. That was horrible. I'll try it again. Try to write the word front. Slash. That's hard. Wow. There's the front view. There's the right view. You can't see the left view. The left view's on the back side. Okay? And the top view is the blue right there. All right, this one, number 5, is going to be a little bit trickier. You see the top view has that C-looking shape, so we're going to start by building that. Okay, we're going to start with that. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Actually, not 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We'll start right here by going 2 over. All right, that's 2 over. Then I'm going to go 3 back. So this is right here. This is going to be the top view. Okay. Just do your best to make that top view. So we have going on top like that. Okay. Now I'm not gonna add all the extra pieces yet, because what we're going to do right now is we're actually going to build the front view. You see how the front view goes up 3, over 1, down 1. We're going to build this piece right here. We're going to go up 3 units. We're going to go, bless you. We're going to go up 3 units right here. Bless you. Bless you. I'm going to create the front view so that all of you can see that clearly to start out. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shade in the piece of the front view that we're doing right here, just this part. I'm going to shade that part in right here together. So that's the first piece that I'm doing. There's the front view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, the next thing we're going to work on right here. All right, I have the front view right here. I'm going to start working on the right side view. Okay, you see how these two right here are up front? So these 2 pieces right here are right up front. So I'm going to work on those 2 pieces, which is right here. I'm going to shade those. Those are those 2 pieces. Okay? I'm going to finish off this section. Now, this part of the right side view is dealing with this piece right in here. That square right in there. Okay? Now, the only thing we have so far from the top view, the only ones we have in the top view are this one here and this one here. Can you see how those dark lines let you know they're on different levels? This is on one level right here. This is on one level right here. So that's the top view right there. That's what we have so far. Now, on the other right side view, how tall are we going? We're going 1, 2, 3 tall. So I have to go up. 1, 2, 3. So, on the right side view, you have 1, 2, and 3. Now I have another piece of the top view. Here's this piece right here of the top view, and I'll color it right here. That's dealing with this section right here. That's the top view. We also finally have the other piece of the front view. The other piece of the front view is this part right back in here that was separate than these 5. This one was set back. So that's this tiny little square back here. So if you look at it from this perspective, that's set apart from all the others. Now the last thing we're going to do is it has a top view right here. So I got to finish off my top view. And I know it's up here. I know it's going to be on the same level. The reason why I know that this is on the same level is these right here. If you look at the picture, there's no dark lines. So I know this right here, these have to be together. Now, I'm not going to shade anything here because that's already been shaded. Now, if you look, you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's 3 here. For the right view, there's 1, 2, 3. My board will work. 1. Oh my gosh, it's stupid board. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, basically, everybody, we're done. I can't shade anything in this middle part. There's nothing, you can't see it. I can't even see this bottom row right here. I can't even see that because it's where? It's in between, it's right here in the middle, so you can't see it. So this right here, that's your final answer. Okay? Have I shaded everything that I can see in the front view? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I shaded everything I can see on the right side view? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I've shaded everything I can see in the top view. So there's a piece, I'm going to put a little arrow. There's a piece that's hidden in this little alley. Okay? There's a piece that you can't see. This piece right here, you can't see it. You can't see that piece, you can't see that piece. All right, in this three-dimensional drawing. So this is your final drawing for this particular problem.